In this video, we're going to use a simple circular saw to make a beveled 45-degree miter cut. So in order to do that, what you must do is take your saw, make sure the power is not connected. You take your saw and you turn your base to be 45 degrees. So here it says 45 degrees. And you turn and rotate this until it's 45. Make sure you lock it. And then make sure you have clearance for your blade and the entire saw. Make sure that you've locked your position down. In this case, we're going to go full length. So we're just going to make sure that that's down. Make sure your blade is on there and tight. Make sure there's no encumbrances. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and power it up. Put on your safety glasses and power it up. So let's just run it real quick. And now we're going to make our cut. I think what I'm going to do to get the best angle for the view, let's see, can you all see that? I'm going to move the camera over. You guys are going to get the first hand look. So here we go. Okay. These are harder to do, so make sure you got your clamps down good. So, if y'all can see that, how hard this is why a handheld circular saw is not easy to use for making beveled cuts. And that's why they have miter saws. Again, I've never done this before, so I'm probably doing it all wrong, but this should be pretty straightforward for anybody. Something horrible has happened. There's so many things I can say about this in terms of its dangerousness and difficulty. was probably one of the worst cuts I've ever made in my life. There's the 45-degree angle. What happened is it cut, but it split it off. I burned through the wood because either my technique was wrong or whatever. So what we're going to do, we're going to compare this cut to that of a miter saw. And we're going to find out which, just in terms of cost savings, whether you need to even buy a miter saw or you can get away with one of these handheld circular saws. Like that. So we're going to be we're still unboxing that, so we'll do that next.